Hi everyone, and welcome to Ohio Valley Couponers. So today I'm here with an epic let's end February with a bang Ibotta haul. This was so awesome today. Over here is Walmart. Here is actually Kroger from Wednesday, so I didn't break any coupon rules. I did it all. This was Wednesday. And here was today. And this just, thanks to some like stupid lighter fluid, this like saved this trip today and made it what it was. I am so pumped. I cannot wait to talk about these deals. Okay, so I had 3 different Ibotta bonuses. I had streak number 3, which was do 9 rebates, get back $3. That's really good. I had level 4, which I needed a total of 15 more rebates to get $3. I also had Weekend Warrior, which came out today, was do 12 rebates, get $3. So $9 back if I did 15 rebates. That wasn't hard to do at all. Oh wait, I'm sorry, it was $2 back on level 4, not 3. So $8 back if I did 15 rebates. Definitely doable. And then I had some awesome overage from this lighter fluid, which really, in the corn, this was a big moneymaker too, that really just made this trip amazing. So I'm so excited. So yeah, we're going to talk Walmart first. We're just going to go down the line like we always do. The Listerine Floss, this is $1.97. There is I used the $1 printable Healthy Essentials, wouldn't give me any more. So I went on Listerine.com. There was a 75-cent printable. So I paid $1.24 and I got back $1 from Ibotta. So 24 cents. But with the bonus, it was really great and worked in the big scheme of things. Right Guard Sport, this was $1.97. I had $1 Ibotta, so 97 cents. Yes, this is ridiculous. 97 cents for deodorant, but like all this was a moneymaker, so it worked out perfect. Muscleman's applesauce. This is $1.84. I had 75 cents from Ibotta, so $1.11 or something. Polydent was $2.98. I had $1 off printable, and there's $1.50 Ibotta, so it made it 48 cents. Uncle Ben's, this was $1.50. For some reason, last week, a coupon showed up in my mailbox just to get this for free. So I used it and got this for free. It scanned just fine. Silk yogurt was $1.42, and we had a 75-cent Ibotta. Aveeno, I love this deal. This was $4. I had a $5 off coupon, so it was $1 in overage. Summer's Eve, I saw this. Amy Stotts told me, I asked her if she knew if it was working, and then she told me that You Better Save, or Yo Better Save, posted that it was now, so I did this deal. It was $1.72. I had a $1.50 off 2 coupon from the 127 Smart Source. And Ibotta is getting back $2 when you buy 2. So it's a really nice moneymaker on the Summer's Eve products. Great time to stock up if you use those. Okay, the Fordo, the rebate reset for me, buy one, get one free, $1.98 back on 2. These are $1.98. I had $1 off of 1 printable. It was going out today. I had 2 of those stashed away in my binder. So I ended up making these a 2-cent moneymaker because I used $1 off printables. So I paid $1.96, got $1.98 from Ibotta. So a little bit of a moneymaker. I'm sorry if I'm going too fast here. If you have any questions, let me know. There's a lot of stuff to talk about there. Okay, the Bic Razors. I saw this one from Krista Coupons. She did a video today. The Bic Silky Touch. These are $2.97 around here. Her store was $2.88 or something, so I wish mine was that cheap. $2.97. There's $3 from Checkout 51, so it was a freebie. I only got one today because, I don't know, Checkout 51 scares me. I always like to try it once and make sure it goes through just for my peace of mind. I'll go back next week and get 4 more of them since it's a limit of 5. But I don't know. Checkout 51, I don't like it very much anymore. But I just wanted to test it out, make sure it worked, and then I'll go back and get 4 more. But Krista actually did do it and it worked for her, so I should have just went ahead and got the 5. The Kids Zyrtec, I say this, $3.47. I had a $4 printable, so 53 cents in overage. So Walmart was, yeah, Walmart was fun. I had a good time over there, and I went ahead. I got that awesome Aveeno overage, you know, just great time. I went over to Kroger. Now, I did this at Kroger yesterday because they had the items in stock, and I just wanted to do it. The corn is an amazing deal. These are $1.99. There are $1 printables on their site. So I got 3 of them total. I used 2 $1 off 1 printables. And I had a $1 mailer coupon that Kroger sent me for the 3rd one. So brought these down to 99 cents each. So $2.97 for 3. And get this, Ibotta is giving back $2 for each of them. $3 moneymaker on the corn. That, you just can't beat it. You really can't. That's amazing. Found one more Glycerina. They're $2.99. Had a $3 coupon, so we got some free Glycerina again. Crest Toothpaste, $1.99. Had $2 off coupon from this month's P&G, making it free. And then this is awesome for the Bounce. It says they're like $6.50 regularly, and I need Bounce. We don't have much in our stockpile. They are $2.99, and I had a $2 coupon from the P&G, making it 99 cents. Then the Suave still 99 cents. I'm all out of $3 off 2s. I had two $1 off 1 coupons left, so I went ahead and utilized those, and I got those for free. So awesome deal. So I had 8 rebates. I need to go over to Kroger today and do 7 more, and I totally made that happen. I'm going to get to this last, because this is the best. Okay, the Kashi Kids was $1.99. There's a $1 Ibotta, so that made it free. Or 99 cents, I'm sorry. I grabbed another Crest. This was free, $1.99 with a $2 P&G coupon. The Bounce again is 99 cents. And then the Cremette Thick and Hearty was $1.25. I had a 50-cent Ibotta, so it was just 75 cents, but it worked out in the big scheme of things. The Boca. This is a good one, especially if you have vegetarian people in your family. I'm going to give this to them. This was at my Kroger. This was $2.49. Had $1.10 back from Ibotta, and then I had 50 cents from Fetch Rewards. If you haven't signed up for any of these rebate apps, my referral codes are always in the description box. My Ibotta is AYJJJR, and Fetch is C1PNA. You get extra points and rebates for signing up. Or money back, not rebates. So I got $1.10 from Ibotta and 500 points from Fetch, which is 50 cents. So I knocked this down to, oh my gosh, I made this 89 cents. Really great price. Oh, and I meant to mention, Miss Empty Nester gave us the corn deal. So I got to give her credit. That was really nice of her to let us know, because I never would have even found that deal. So thank you so much to her. The Soylent, this is a great one. This is on the mega sale for $1.99. There is a $1.50 Ibotta, as well as a 25-cent any nutritional drink rebate, and I got it back. They both worked. So this is 24 cents. It's regularly $4. Now, if you're trying to watch calories, no way. This is really bad, but some people might. I don't know. I'm going to donate a lot of this food because I love giving back to people, and when I can do it and get all this stuff, like I'm using overage on things I do need in my stockpile, so it's worth it because I got all these Bounce and stuff for free. Okay, the brown cow yogurt was $1. There's a 50-cent Ibotta rebate, making it 50 cents. And then I'm really pumped about these. I'm so excited to try these. The Justin's Organic Peanut Butter Cups. This is not the best, but for me, it worked out in the big scheme of things. They're $1.99, and Ibotta has 75 cents back, making this only $1.24. So phenomenal price. And then this one, I've got to give credit to someone for this, because I don't remember your name. I'm going to do it right here as an overlay, because I want to give you credit. But she had told me about this deal on the Kingsford charcoal lighter a couple weeks ago, and I didn't find it at my store. Today, I went over to the manager special area. We have a big clearance section at my store, and these were marked at $1.75. And there's $2.50 from Ibotta, so that made it a 75-cent moneymaker for each one. So I got a $1.50 moneymaker on these 2 Kingsford Eco Light. No idea what I'm going to do with these, but when they're going to pay you $1.50, why would you not take it out? It was just a wonderful transaction. Okay, so you heard all that overage. There was a lot of overage. Let's talk math. Retail was $66, $62 plus tax, but that doesn't even include. This is sale price. A lot of these items in the mega event would be much more if it wasn't for sales. Less $33.75 in coupons, so out of pocket was $35.64. After rebates, it was $6.56. I got $3 Weekend Warrior, $3 for the Streak, and $2 for Level 4. I also got back 50 cents for the Kashi bonus, which I guess was for doing it twice. I got back 50 cents. So, all this was a $1.94 moneymaker. I made $1.94 for the corn, and just, oh my gosh, it's unbelievable. You get paid. I got a table filled with stuff. I got paid almost $2, and that includes tax. If I didn't include tax, how big of a moneymaker would this have been? Like, this is why I coupon. I love it. I love it, love it, love it. I can't use all this stuff, obviously, but you get to help others by donating and such. So, really excited for that. So, yeah, that is all I have for this Ibotta haul. Let me know. I love your comments. Let me know what you think about this. Let me know if I missed anything. I need to go back. Tomorrow's the 1st of the month, so we'll probably get some new rebates. And be sure to watch out for the expiration. The streak and the level bonus do expire today, so keep that in mind. So, yeah, that is all I have for now, and thank you so much for watching.